Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Everything with Sophia. As you may know by the title, I got my results for my heritage DNA. So, welcome back. If you haven't, you can go watch the first video, which I'll put the link down below. But it was just basically showing how I took my DNA. Nothing that interesting, but I got my results back. I did see it because, you know, I was trying to get like a natural reaction and just post it, but I just couldn't wait, you know? I just really couldn't wait. So I'm just gonna go right in and just play the results. So here we go. Okay.
Getting a little bit of everything.
Well, guess what? We're gonna find out right now. In the case.
So like, I don't know if you guys heard me like while it was playing, but so like the Nigerian part, I had a sense that I was like a little bit West African, based on my mom's heritage and my dad's heritage as well. Like, I just knew that I was West African, but what surprised me was that I'm also East African, Kenyan. So I wonder like if that like has a love story to it, like, you know, they're like somebody meets somebody else, and like, you know, that's what I really want to know. But what also surprised me, you know, is the 18.8%. I see some blue by Sweden, Finland, Ireland, Greece, and Italy. So it shows a beautiful ethnicity estimate. Okay, so I'm North and West European. I'm Irish, Scottish, and Welsh. That is 7.3%, bruh. And then I'm 2.1% Finnish. Okay. And I'm from Greece. And I'm South Italian and Italian. So I guess if you divide the 6.9 and then add it to the divided by 2, I guess that's like 3.45 plus 1.7%. I guess when you add that all together, that's how much Italian I am. That's why I love pizza so much. You know, people are gonna look at this video and say, you know, you're such a fatty. I love pizza. I love pasta, probably because it's the easiest thing that I can possibly cook. Because, you know, rumors say that I can't cook. They are true. I cannot cook to save my life, but Italian food, naturally. So this is cool. This is cool. I'm so many things. I'm 9 ethnicities. Cool. So there's not really one box per person. You really can't just say, you know, who a person is by the way they look. I mean, I still will associate myself as being Black or Haitian American, or African American when it comes to that, but yeah, I'm 9 ethnicities. Thank you. If there's like gonna be a, you know, my mom, she does other, like she checks other, but because she loves saying that she's Haitian, but me, I just put usually just Black, non-Hispanic, but I don't know. So yeah, but thank you for watching once again. Bye. See you later.